Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to set up your Ledger Nano X. First, carefully unbox your new Ledger Nano X and inspect it for any signs of tampering. Next, connect the device to your computer using the included USB-C cable. Power on your Ledger Nano X by following the simple on-screen instructions. This initial step ensures your device is ready for secure configuration and use. Now, let's secure your device. You'll need to choose a strong PIN, which can be between 4 and 8 digits long. Remember this PIN, as it's crucial for accessing your device. The Ledger Nano X will then generate a 24-word recovery phrase. Carefully write down each word on the provided recovery sheet. Finally, verify your recovery phrase by re-entering specific words when prompted to ensure accuracy. With your device secured, it's time to install Ledger Live. Download and install the official Ledger Live application from Ledger's website onto your computer. Once installed, connect your Ledger Nano X to Ledger Live and follow the prompts to set up your cryptocurrency accounts. You can then install the specific cryptocurrency applications you need directly onto your Ledger Nano X, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. You're now ready to manage your crypto. Use Ledger Live to securely send and receive various cryptocurrencies. Always double-check the recipient's address before confirming any transaction to prevent errors. Remember, security is paramount. For more great tips and product recommendations, including a link to those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, check out the description below. We've got other deals waiting for you there too.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.